Welcome back, students of MSc second sem. This is the second part of lecture 2. In this part, continue case second. If divergence of current density is not 0, then del rho upon del T is also not equal to 0. That implies that rho is not a constant, that it is time varying. It is time varying density of charge. So this is the case of time varying current, which is the case of electrodynamics, because in electrodynamics, mainly known as Faraday's laws, time varying current produces electric field. Okay, this is the case of electrodynamics. In this case, Ampere's law does not satisfy. So conclusion, thus equation 4 valid only for magnetostatics, because in magnetostatics divergence of J is 0. But Ampere's law does not hold with electrodynamics. Okay? Okay? So you know very well, divergence of J plus del rho upon del T equals to 0. Continuity equation. From equation first, divergence of is equal to rho upon epsilon naught. Putting this value in this equation, then we get divergence of J plus del by del T epsilon naught divergence of E equals to 0. And then divergence comes out dot vector J plus epsilon naught del E upon del T equals to 0. In this case, this value is always 0. This value is always 0, in which J is the conduction current density and second part have same units of current density. That means this term also represents a special type of current density. Okay. Now, in Ampere's law, always Ampere's law, that means fourth equation satisfy only for this. If we use this term, in place of J, then the left hand side and right hand side of Ampere's law always 0 and true. Okay, so next part is theoretical, which is provided you in form of PDF or photos. So now we explain. So this term is known as displacement current density. Okay, and next part is given by this, and please read carefully, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you.